ClusterSeven provides a governance platform for an organization's end-user computing estate. It provides the ability to understand their use within the organization, provide an inventory and controls around the spreadsheets and access databases within that estate. The ClusterSeven technology enables an organization to understand the extent of the use of end-user computing within the organization, to understand things like the data lineage within those files. It also allows the organization to capture an inventory of those files, to capture the materiality assessment, ownership of those files, and the recertification process around that. And then it also provides a more detailed controls around the Excel and Access databases within the organization. What that enables the organization to do is to understand the extent of the use of or reliance of the organization on end-user computing, but also to be able to provide the transparency around those key assets within the inventory. Good data governance is something that most organizations are focused on at the moment, and their regulators are calling them to task on this. And there are various regulations that are now starting to call out the requirements to look at the end-user computing. And that's in two key areas. First, to be able to have an inventory of those files, but also to have the requisite controls around them. The benefits of adopting an end-user computing platform are really fourfold. The first is to manage the operational risk within the organization, to understand their usage within the organization, but also the risk of error and financial loss potentially associated with that. Coupled with that is the regulatory fines that you will be exposed to, but actually most importantly in our clients' eyes is the reputational risks that are associated with any of the misdemeanors around end-user computing.